Alaikum Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Gardens of Jannah. There will be gardens in Jannah. Even garden will have the length of about 100 years journey. The shade of these gardens will be very dense. Their plants will be free of thorns. The size of their leaves will be equal to ears of elephant. Their fruits will be hanging in raw. Once a bunch of dates will be equal to the length of 12 arms. The size of a date will be equal to the big pitcher. This will be weather than whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and softer than butter and free of seeds. The stem of these plants will be made up of gold and silver. There will also be gardens of grapes. The bunches of grapes will be very big. The size of single grape will be equal to a big pitcher pot. Some ask you, Ya Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, will it be sufficient for me and my family? It was answered, it will be sufficient for you and your whole tribe. These gardens will have long branches which will raise on standing, will bend on sitting, and will come near on lying. Their fruit